Hello, Da Vinci. It's the terrible duo back, Mr. Watkiss and his trusty ruler. Let's get ready for our maths today. It's the 5th of the 2nd, 2021. Get you ready with your pen or your pencil, your paper, your whiteboard pen. Get ready to complete challenge 1, challenge 2. Let's pause the video and let's go through them together. Okay, so starting off, challenge 1, 10. Take away 4. I can do that. Got 10 fingers. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I've got 1 and I've got 5 on this answer. 5 and 1. 5 in my head. 1 more, 6. So my answer for that one is 6. 17 add 3. Right, put 17 fingers up. I'm only joking. We don't have 17 fingers, but we do have a ruler with the number 17 on. So let's jump onto that. 17. We're going to add 3. 1, 2, 3. My answer is 20. Spot on. And we're going to go with double 4. Now, because 4 is under 5, it's 1 less than 5, and I've got 5 fingers, which means I can go bam, 4 on this side. I can go bam, 4 on this side. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double 4 is 8. So my answer for that is going to be 8. Spot on. Something, take away something is 5. Now we should be getting super good at this, especially since Mr. Watkiss made the mistake last time. It's going to be 5 take away 0 is 5. 6 take away 1 is 5. 7 take away 2 is 5. 8 take away 3 is 5. Goodness, I'm going too fast for my own writing. That looks like 8 take away 8. Mr. Watkiss, how poor. Let's try again. 8 take away 3. 9 take away 4 is 5. 10 take away 5 is 5. 11 take away 6 is 5. 12 take away 7 is 5. Oh, I dropped my pen. I was getting that excited. Right, should we move on to the next side? Well done to challenge 1s. We know the pattern now. It goes from 5. It counts all the way up 1 at a time, and on the other side it will count 1 up each time as well. So let's move over to challenge 2. 59 add 11. Ooh, that sounds like a challenging one. 59 add 11. 9 add 1. I know that's 10. Right, 10. That's my 1s, so that's going to go in there. Cross that off, and then I've got 1 that needs to be added onto this 5. So my 1 added onto that 5 is going to change it to a 6. Right. 9 add 1 is that 0. The 1 goes up there, so cross that out to the 6. 6 add 1 is 7. So my answer is 70. Spot on. Right. 5 lots of 3. I won't lie. I haven't been practicing my 3 times table, and I don't know what. I do know what to do. I do know what to do, because I don't need to do 5 lots of 3, because I don't know my 3 times 2. I should be practicing on TT Rockstars, and I promise I will be. But what I can do for now is I can change these 2 over to be 3 lots of 5, which is commutative and therefore means it's going to be the same answer, so it doesn't matter. So 3 lots of 5. I've been practicing my TT Rockstars 5 times tables, and I know that 3 lots of 5 is 15. 5, 10, 15. So that means that that is the correct answer. Well done, Mr. Watkiss. Right. 10 add something is 86. Shall I show you a bit of a cheeky way of doing this one? Because instead of me trying to figure out what that number is, it could be anything. I just need to try lots of different numbers to see what something add 10, 86. Well, I'm going to a bit of a cheeky way here. You've got the numbers 86, and you have the numbers 10, and then you've got a mystery number. Now, what you can do is you've moved those 2, and you can do the same as 10 add something is 86 is the same as 86 take away 10 equals that mystery number. Now I can do 86 take away 10. I know what to do there. It's got 0 1s, so I don't need to change this side. That's fine. And I'm taking away 1 10. So 8 take away 1. 8 take away 1 is going to be 7. 6 take away 0 is going to be 6. So my answer is 76. So shall we check whether 76 add 10 is 86. Well, 76, add 10 more. That's going to be changed from 7 to 8. Add 0 ones. That's going to stay as a 6 at 86. We did a bit of a cheeky way there. Well done, everyone. Right, something add something is 20. Well, let's choose a random number. Let's go with 8. Now, because 8 is not a full 10 yet, I'm going to make it a full 10. So what do I need to add to 8 to get it to be in a full 10? Well, it's going to be 2. 8 add 2, because those two together make 10, okay? So because those two together make 10, it's nice and easy now, because I need to go from 10 and I need to get to 20. So 10 add something is 20. Well, it's 10 add 10 is 20. And again, we could go even easier. We could go 20 add 0, 0. It could be 19 add 1, add 0, 18 add 1, add 1, 18 add 2, add 0. And you keep going. There's lots of different ways to do it. But I like to challenge myself sometimes, and I like to jump on a random number and see whether I can still get to the answer in only 2 goes, okay? So well done, Da Vinci. Let's move on for today. Can I share equally? So yesterday I was teaching you all about sharing equally. I had my 6 red sweets and I had my 2 groups, and I was sharing my 6 sweets equally by doing we learned the song, which I won't be singing for you today, but we did learn the song, and we've also then got the, oh my goodness, it slipped my mind. We've got the rule. The rule is it's 1 for you, 1 for you, and it's like 1 each. Everything must be equal, okay? So can you help me sort these and share them equally? 12 sweets into 4 pots. Well, we're going to go 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. And we go start again. A 1 for you, 1 for you, a 1 for you, a 1 for you. And we're going to start again because they've now all got 2. So I'm going to have to go back to the beginning. 1 for you, 1 for you, and a 1 for you. Is that fair? 1 left. It's going to go to that person right on the end. So can you help me share these 12 sweets into 4 pots? So I've got 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. I had 12 sweets. So 12, 12 divide equally shared between 4 groups is 3 in each group, okay? So I had 12 all together up here, didn't I? I had 12 all the way up here. That was my altogether number, so that's the first number I say. I shared each of those sweets, all of those 12, I shared them equally between 4 groups. Now, yeah, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So I shared that 12 by 4 groups, and my equals answer is going to be 3, because that's how many is in each group. You can see there, 1, 2, 3. Now, it doesn't matter that I don't need to count these all up again, because I know that all together they equal 12. I'm just looking, the answer is always going to be how many is in each group for this task. So let's look again. Can you help me equally share these 18? We've got 18 muffins. Shall I slide myself over here for down? There we go. All right. Got 18 muffins. So with the 18 muffins, I need to equally share them. So 18 is my total, and I'm sharing them into 3 boxes. So I just need to find out how many is going to be in each box. So let's go. 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. Start again. 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. Start again. For you, 1 for you, 1 for you. Start again. 1 for you, 1 for you. And another 1 for you, and we're going to start again. Another 1 for you, and you, and start again. And 1, 2, 3. There we go. So we had 18, we had 18, and we shared them equally between 3. So we had 18 altogether up here. We shared them equally between these 3 white boxes. Now, how many do I have in each box? Well, I can count. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I should, because I've equally shared them, I don't need to count each one, because I know I've equally put the same amount of muffins in each box, which means the answer must be, fingers crossed, 6. Yes, perfect. Let's go on to the next example. Here, I've got 20 balls, okay? And they've been shared equally. So I've already put them in the boxes. I had 20 at the top and I put them equally into the boxes. Now, how many did I start with? Now you could go, okay, how many was there all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6. No, 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 no. Nice and quickly, let's find the answer. How many did I start with? Here are 20 balls. So how many did I start with? I started with 20. There are 20. I shared them equally between how many groups? How many groups did I share them in? Well, I shared them between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I shared them between these 5 equal white boxed groups, didn't I? So I shared them between 5. And now the answer, I need to work out how many is in each one of these 5 groups. So how many is in the groups? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 4. And I don't need to check the rest of them. I'm not even going to look because I've checked that all of them have been shared equally already. I've done the 1 for each one at the beginning, and it means that I don't need to worry about checking. So 20 altogether shared equally between the 5 groups means there is 4 in each group. Let's move on to the next one. Here, I have 14 cubes. So 14 cubes is my altogether amount. So my altogether amount. So what's the first number that goes in my STEM sentence? Well, my first number that goes in my STEM sentence is 14. 14 shared equally between what? Well, how many groups do I have? Well, I've got one group and another group. So I've got 2 groups. But what's my answer? Well, it's asking me how many is in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I don't need to check the other one because it says they've been shared equally. So they've been shared equally between 2 groups and there are 7 in each group. Great job. It's now your turn. I would like you to draw 12 flowers for challenge 1. Challenge 1, you need to draw 12 flowers. So if you had something like this, oh, Mr. Watkiss, show off your drawing skills. Will do. There's my beautiful flower. We'll even give it a small leaf. Oh, gorgeous. Well, you need 12 of those, okay? You need 12. So in order for us to make 12, I'm going to need to draw 11 more, but I'm going to copy them because I don't want to spend all this time drawing them. So I'm going to need 12 flowers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, keep going. 6. And then if I do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Mr. Watkiss, too many. There we go. Get rid of that one. Bye-bye, flower. Bye-bye, flower. Bye-bye. Goodbye, flower. Go. There we go. So we've got 12 flowers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've got 12 flowers all together here. Now, what I need to do is I then need to share them equally between 6 groups. So I then need to put 1, and I need to then make 5 more because I've got 6 in total. So I need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's my 6 groups. I then need to equally share them between each one of these groups. So that means I'm going to go 1 in that, 1 in that one, 1 in that one, 1 in that one, 1 in that one, 1 in that one. And then I'll need to do it again, putting the next lot in. Okay, that's your challenge 1. I've just explained how to set it up, okay? So then for the next one, your challenge 2, complete the STEM sentence. You've got this many all together, and they've already been equally shared. So you need to figure out how many did you start with, equally shared between how many groups, and what's your total? Challenge 2. I'd like you to draw 21 flowers. That's your whole amount. And I want you to share them between 7 groups and tell me what it equals in each group. Your next challenge 2 question. I've got this many cupcakes and I've shared them equally between this many groups. How many is in each group? Finish the sentence. I've got challenge 3. Draw this many hearts and share them equally between this many groups. Complete the stem sentence. I've got this many sweets and I've equally shared them between this many. Oh, let me write the other way so it doesn't confuse anyone. This many groups, okay? These are groups, the ones that are in the blue boxes, okay? That's how many groups I've shared them between. How many's in each group? Extension question. Daisy has 23 cupcakes. She has to share them equally between 10 plates. Can Daisy share 23 cupcakes equally between 10 plates? If yes or no, tell me why. She's got 23 and she's been asked to share them equally between 10 plates. Can she do it? Yes, no, and tell me why. That's everything for today. Thank you very much, Da Vinci. Oh, I've got a cheeky one right on the end. I nearly forgot. Extension. Alex has got 20 sweets and he shares them between his 5 friends. Tommy has 20 sweets and he shares them between 10 friends. Whose friends will receive the most sweets? So whose friends, Alex's friends or Tommy's friends, will get the most sweets? And tell me, how do you know? That's everything for today, Da Vinci. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.